Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important message on Pinterest while using the app on your PC, enabling push notifications is the way to go. With the newest update, it's easier than ever to stay connected and notified right from your desktop. Let me guide you step by step through the process to allow push notifications specifically for your messages. First, open your Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and ready, look to the left side menu of the screen, where you will find several options. Click on Settings from this menu to access your account preferences. After entering Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to customize how Pinterest keeps you updated about different activities on your account. Now, scroll down through the notifications options until you locate the Messages category under the Social section. Here, you will see a toggle option labeled Push. Simply enable this toggle to turn on push notifications for messages. The last step is very important. Click Save to confirm and apply your changes. If you skip saving, the new settings won't be activated, and you might miss those timely message alerts. And that's it. With just these few simple clicks, you'll always be in the loop for new messages on Pinterest without having to constantly check the app. This update makes managing your notifications straightforward, so you stay connected effortlessly. Enjoy staying updated and keep those conversations going with your friends, collaborators, and fellow Pinterest users.